is the perfect time to get Chime. They are offering a new banking feature, which is the SpotMe. All right. So what it is there's no more overdraft fees. They're actually going to be spotting you $45 minimum right now. So let's say, you need an extra 10 bucks, 20 bucks for gas. The SpotMe feature right now that they have will spot you up to $45. If you have direct deposit, you're automatically approved. And that's basically how it works, you know what I mean? And to simplify it, they will spot you $45 with your direct deposit going in there. It's just going to get taken right out. But there's no fees on top of that. So like I said, there's no, and I'll get into that in other videos, but like there's no fees when it comes to the SpotMe feature. So it's not like they're charging 10% to borrow money, you know what I mean? So this is a perfect time. Like I said, use my download link. It's in the description. I'll post it on here as well. But this is the perfect time right now to get Chime. Like literally, the SpotMe feature they got going. You get paid 4 days earlier, 2 days earlier, all depending on when you get your paycheck. So it's a lot of good features. But we're gonna get into this. This is the new banking feature. And we'll spot you. There's no more overdraft fees. We'll spot you, no overdraft fees. We get it. Life happens. Sometimes your bank account balance is running low and an extra cushion could come in handy. That's where SpotMe comes in. Once again, download Chime, use my link, and then they're going to give you $75. I didn't even talk about that yet. So once again, Chime is offering $75 just to download it. You get $75. Debit card, credit card, savings account, spending account. Get spotted $45. Like, it's so many good benefits. Back to this. So we have your back, no fees attached. With SpotMe, Chime members can overdraft on debit card purchases with no fees. That's right, no fees. SpotMe limits start at 20 bucks and can be increased up to $100 by Chime based on factors such as an account, activity, and history. So meaning, you got to have some type of, like I said, direct deposit. You're using your card. You just can't be, you got to be active. You just got to be active. Now, here's how to get SpotMe. Now, finish signing up and set up direct deposit accounts that have received $500 or more in total monthly direct deposits are eligible for SpotMe. So you got to have how to get SpotMe. Finish signing up and set up your direct deposit amounts that receive $500 or more in monthly direct deposits are eligible for SpotMe. And there, if you guys want to join Chime, you guys use my link. All of those benefits will be active soon as you connect it. Everything will be active. You'll be receiving your card. And then on top of that, if you get the 40 purchases, you will also receive a metal shiny card. So once you get your credit builder, you start building your credit, use those 40 purchases. And like I said, every purchase that you use will be applied to your credit. You know what I mean? So you'll have on time 100%. I highly apologize. I was recording, but it wasn't recording. So I don't know when I left off in this video. But as I was saying, so many benefits with Chime right now, you guys. So this is like the perfect time to sign up. Like I said, then they're basically giving you guys money. You get the SpotMe feature, $45 soon as you unlock that. You'll get that unlocked. So you'll have that. You also have, you can refer somebody as well. So like I said, using my code, they're giving you guys $75 just to sign up. Just to sign up, $75, you'll get that savings account. You'll get that spending account. Link up your direct deposit. You'll get $45. SpotMe, that SpotMe can come in handy. I don't personally have it, so I'm actually might do mine, but I know it can come in handy, especially when it comes down to, you need extra gas money or you need a little bit of money to hold you until the next day, until the next week. Or some people get paid weekly, monthly, daily, whatever that holds you over to the next cycle. I definitely understand that, and that's where that SpotMe feature is so beneficial. It's so beneficial, to have, especially, like I said, you need the extra gas money. boom, you know it's there. You have access to it. So that's also a feature. Like I said, you don't even have to use it, but it's good that they offer it. It's good that they offer it. So it's just good that they offer it, because you never know. You never know when you may need that. And then how that works is, once you get your direct deposit, you're basically paying them back, but there's no fees on top of that. So that's the other thing. Let's say if you do use it, you'll have there's no fees, and if you don't use it, there's no fees. Like I said, you have it, I have it, and I never used it, so I'm not getting penalized because I don't use it. So it's not going against or for me at the moment because I don't use it, but it's good to have, guys. Like I said, it's good to have. Say, hey, I got 45. The SpotMe, especially what they're doing right now. They're doing this right now. Like I said, sign up with my link. You get $75. That's what they're doing. They're saying, hey, if anybody sign up under your link, we'll give them $75. I want to take advantage of this new opportunity with this new baking feature with Chime. Use my link down below, and you guys will be on your way with $75. Go ahead and capitalize on that. End the year off strong. Hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. Enjoy your time with your family. New Year's coming, so be safe, guys. It's a lot of stuff going on, so be safe out there. And just try to stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. Drop the comments below as well if you guys got Chime, or if you guys still need help. Sign up with Chime. It literally only takes 2 to 3 minutes, literally. So like I said, you're not even wasting your day. You're not even wasting any time. 2 to 3 minutes, and you'll be signed up. But yeah, if you guys got any questions, because I know a lot of people also be having a lot of questions with Chime, drop those comments below. I'll answer those to the best of my ability. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if this helped. And like I said, guys got questions, drop the comments below. Stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. We gone.